Are you okay? I have the hiccups. Try drinking water. Okay, I'll try. Hic. Do you smell something? Smell what? Who farted? It wasn't me. I had a long day. You must be tired. Let's splash in the pool. Sure. Pass. Your phone's buzzing. What? Your phone's buzzing. Isn't it your phone? Please leave a message after the beep. I know you're angry. It was my fault. I'm sorry. The concert is a hit or miss. How so? The band was great. The sound quality was poor. What are the chances of rain tomorrow? It's 50-50. Maybe we should cancel. Yeah. Should we just go halfway up? No, it's all or nothing. Okay, fine. You can do it. Will he make it to the finals? I'm not sure. It could go either way. I hope he does. Is that free t-shirts available? Yes, it's up for grabs. Nice. Oh, Jack just took it. Who wants the last cookie? I call dips. You had too many, but I call dips. Let's eat Italian tonight. How about Korean? I called checkmate. I have a 15% coupon for Italian. I call timeout. Why? I need a snack. You had 3 ice cream. Can you give us an extra day? No, but I called a shot and the deadline is tomorrow. I called a meeting. Is there anything I should prepare? No, just to be there, okay? I'm gonna get coffee. Do you want anything? 2 decaf coffee, please. Sure. One fresh squeezed original, one squeezed orange juice, please. Would you like a persistent? 2 shots of sugar syrup, please. Anything else? I'm heading to the I'm heading to the cafe. Want anything? Coffee, please. I like my coffee strong. I'll add an extra shot. Where are you going? I'm going on a coffee run. I'm going on a coffee run. Could you get me a cappuccino? Of course. I've been late lately. Wake up and smell the coffee. You're right. Here's some coffee.